Hey guys, so I just got back from the pool, so my hair is not the greatest. But today I made something and I was like, I have to do a video about that. So I'm going to teach you how to make these crystal geode things out of hot glue sticks and wire. All you need for this is scissors, hot glue stick, and some Sharpie, a Sharpie, whatever color you want, and some wire, which I have back here. Okay, it's in wire. And then if you want to make it into a necklace, you would need your necklace piece. So, yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your hot glue stick, and there's a couple different ways you could do this. You could just start on the end and work your way down. Just making you can make 4 of these out of one glue stick. So I'm going to cut mine in half like this, and then use this piece for one of them. And then you're just going to trim the sides to like a point. Now this part is a little messy. Oh, and you also need a flat surface, but I imagine you already have that. So just trim the edges to a point like this. Not done yet. Okay. So just keep trimming until it's like the shape you want. And rocks like this usually aren't perfect, so don't stress over getting them even and stuff. You can also make something very similar to this with a hot glue gun and just like a piece of silicone, and then you can hot glue it and then just trim it with your scissors. But I can't find my hot glue gun. I could only find the sticks, so I'm just doing this version. So there it is. Now you're going to cut off the extra. I'm going to make mine about this long. You're not really supposed to cut hot glue with scissors until it's already out of the gun, so yeah, it's a little bit hard. So here it is. Now you can just leave it like this, but I'm going to color mine purple. So you're going to get your flat surface and make sure that it can get Sharpie on it, because you can't use just a Crayola marker. So I'm just using this clipboard for my dad's work. So yeah. So you're going to get your Sharpie out and just color it on every side and on the point too. This takes a minute, so this actually took me longer than I expected whenever I was coloring the ones that I already made. Make sure you color the point too. Now, if you use your hot glue to do your glue gun to do it, you would just put a little shape of this, like a diamond or something, like 2 sides and then the top and a little point at the bottom. It's kind of like an arrow. And you would just you could paint it and make it like a faded, more realistic look. But again, like I said, I couldn't find my hot glue gun, so I'm just doing it like this. Okay, I think that's good. You should get the top too, because that won't be covered by wire. Okay, so I finished that. So now my hands are all messy, so I have to be careful not to touch my white blanket. But here it is. So it looks like when it's colored. I forgot to say, but you need a little push pin or thumbtack thing. So I'm going to go get that. I got my little push pin thing. So now this is how you're going to get the wire to stay secure on here. You're going to poke it in the side, right about there, and poke it like halfway through. You can poke it all the way through too, but I'm not going to do that. Okay. So it's still pretty transparent, so you might be able to see right there. My hands are a mess. Look at that. Okay, so here it is. And now you're going to take this off and take this thing out and get your wire. Now you're going to need like this much wire. You can't really see it, but here it is. And you're going to stick your wire into the hole that you made with your push pin thing. Can't get it in. This part's a little bit tricky, but my wire will not stay straight. Okay. Just not wanting to go in today. Don't know why. Okay. Nope, not working. Okay, it worked just fine last time. Okay. So I'm gonna stick it in again in this same spot just to make the hole a little bit bigger. So just that. Now this didn't happen for me like any of the other times. I think it might just be the bad lighting in my room. I mean, it looks pretty light, but it's not that light. Okay, so after you get it in like that, you're just going to wrap it around a couple times. Now this part kind of just depends on your preference, like how thick you want the little stripe of wire to be. And I want mine about like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it about like 3 inches past where it was. And I'm going to take my push pin again, and this time I'm going to stick it about like right in the middle of the top of it. Okay, so you're just going to make sure you can leave it in there for a while. And now you're going to wrap it around like this, and you're going to stick your other end of wire into this hole. That one went in a lot easier than the last one. So, and then you're just going to keep twisting, but make sure that this part stays in a loop like that. So there you go. Now you're completely done. I really like these, and they were fairly easy to make, except for the part where you had to stick the wire into it. But the rest of it was pretty simple, pretty easy, and they were really cute. So what I did was I had this necklace lying around. Okay. I had this one necklace lying around, and it's like a black leathery one. And it had a little clasp on it. And I needed something to put on them, so I put these on them. And I think it looks really cute. And every once in a while you're going to want to fix the little wire things. So yeah, like, it is pretty gentle. I mean, delicate, so you have to be gentle with it. So, but, with most necklaces, you'll be able to get them through here, and if you can't, then you can just put them on before you do the little top part. So, yeah, here's one last look at it. You can just tie it on a string and then put another charm on it and make a cute bracelet, or really whatever you want. I think they're really, really cute. So, yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.